When you see your manuscript in the Final Materials or Download Final Materials phase, this means that the Editor-in-Chief has accepted your manuscript for publication. You should receive an email from the Editor-in-Chief stating that your manuscript has been accepted, with more information on the steps that need to be taken to ensure that your manuscript is ready to be placed into an issue, such as making sure the copyright agreement has been signed, the final version of the manuscript has been uploaded, along with any figures, and so on. Once those steps are completed, it is then the Editor-in-Chief's responsibility to place your manuscript into a specific volume and issue of the journal. You can see which volume and issue your manuscript has been placed in, along with the article number, at the top left-hand corner of the submission. Once a complete issue has been finalized by the Editor-in-Chief, it is their responsibility to then send it to the journal's development editor for the next steps in getting it ready to be published. At this time, you should be keeping an eye on your email inbox for an email from the Journal Proofing Department regarding the proofs of your manuscript. You will be responsible to look over your manuscript's proof and make comments on any necessary corrections it needs before sending it back to the Journal Proofing Department by the deadline they have given in the email. After returning your proof, the manuscript will go through a few more processes before being sent to print and becoming published.